description of English vowels. There is a great misconception among learners whenever I ask my students the question how many vowels are in English. Almost all of they say that there are 5 vowels. So this is the result of traditional teaching and learning in our schools and colleges, that we have no actual sense of how many vowels are in English language. Actually, when we talk about vowels and consonants, we talk about sounds, we talk about phonemes, we don't talk about letters. So that's why there is a misconception that A, E, I, O, U, these 5 vowel letters, they recognize it, they term it as vowels. So these vowels and consonants are actually phonemes, are actually sounds. So it's very essential, very basic to define what is a phoneme. Phoneme is the smallest unit of sound which can distinguish meaning in words. So consonants and vowels are phonemes. Consonants and vowels are sounds. For example, the word is come, C-O-M-E. There are 4 letters in word come, but there are 3 phonemes, 3 sounds, k and m consonant sounds, and in between a vowel sound. There is another word, league, L-E-A-G-U-E. There are 6 letters in this word, but actually 3 phonemes, l and g, and in between a vowel sound, vowel phoneme. So 3 phonemes in league, but 6 letters. So this is the basic information that vowels and consonants are phonemes. These are sounds. These are not letters. Letters is something different. So actually there are 20 vowels in English language. So first of all, we should define what is a consonant and what is a vowel. A consonant is a speech sound when we produce with some restriction, modification, or blockage of air stream coming in our vocal tract. We call that sound a consonant sound. Once again I say, a consonant is a phoneme, is a sound which is produced when there is the blockage, there is a restriction or modification of air stream in our vocal tract, and the sound produced is known as a consonant sound. A vowel is a speech sound which is produced without any significant restriction or constriction or blockage of the air in the vocal tract. So this is the basic distinction between vowels and consonants. When we produce a vowel, there is no blockage, there is no restriction or modification of air stream in our vocal tract. That is why we call it a vowel, and whenever it is blockage or restriction, we call it a consonant. But both are these phonemes or sounds. So 20 vowels in English. Out of these 20 vowels, there are 12, we call them pure vowels, and 8 diphthongs. There is some concept, there are some triphthongs, but triphthongs are not included in the inventory of these 20 vowels. That is why we will not discuss triphthongs. We may discuss them separately in another video. But here we will describe that out of these 20 vowels, there are 12 pure vowels and 8 diphthongs. Furthermore, these 12 pure vowels are further divided into short vowels and long vowels. 7 short vowels and 5 long vowels. So we will describe these vowels one by one with their IPA symbols so that you may recognize the sound. These symbols are used in almost all learners' dictionaries. If you want to learn more, you may refer Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary or Longman Learners Dictionary or Cambridge Learners Dictionary. So IPA symbols are used here with example words, and the sounds, phonemes which are highlighted in colored form so that you may understand them, that where this particular phoneme is used in these example words. So first short vowel is A. The words are sit, fit, begin, give. In these words, A vowel is used. These are example words. A, man, head, Set, this is another vowel. This sound is known as, this symbol is known as a schwa. Most frequently used vowel in English language, that is the schwa. This particular IPA symbol is used for it. Schwa sound is a. Example words are away, alive, today. I, another vowel, I. Example words are man, thanks, rain. O, vowel O, used in these words, look, pull, put, should. Vowel O. Example words are want, got, found, lock. It is to note here that this vowel is not used in American English. This vowel O is particularly used in RP accent in British English. Another vowel, short vowel A. Example words are luck, much, cut, come, does. So after these short vowels, there are 5 long vowels which are described here with the help of example words. E. Words are meet, beat, need, see. Another long vowel, O. Fool, rude, shoe, lose. A. Heart, march, ask, dance. Long vowel, O. Example words are walk, watch, talk. Long vowel, words are were, burn, turn, bird. It's to note here also that the letter or phoneme or, whenever it comes after a vowel, it is not pronounced in RP accent. It is not pronounced simply. For example, when we say WAR, war, its pronunciation is war in RP accent, in British accent, but in American English it is pronounced. Then there are 8 diphthongs. The difference between monophthong, earlier we described monophthongs, 12 monophthongs are pure vowels. The difference between monophthong and diphthong is that the diphthong is not 2 sounds. You don't recognize them as 2 sounds. It's one sound but a little bit variation. It starts from one point and ends at another point. That is why it is known as a diphthong. You should not recognize it as 2 vowels. It is one vowel but with a one sound, but variation of that one sound. It starts from one point and ends at another point. For example, one diphthong is A. Example words are pay, great, say. Another diphthong is I, buy, type, might, oi, boy, point, toy, voice. Another diphthong, O. Here, this diphthong, and there is a variation in American English. The diphthong is O, and in American English it is O, as when we say boat, code, rope, go, ow, now, house, cow, found. Diphthong ear, deer, bear, hair. Same case here. Last R sound, as it is coming after vowel sounds, that is why this R sound is not pronounced in British English. Another diphthong is air, share, wear, fair, bear. Diphthong o, cure, pure, poor, tour. So thank you very much for watching this video, and in the next video we will describe the relationship between letters and vowels. Thank you very much.